This is stock MIUI with all of its bloatware and apps. And this is debloated MIUI with all of its apps removed. With this, we get more storage, more performance, and more battery life without using root access. Let's get started. Here we'll be using Redmi 6A with MIUI 11 pre-installed.
Let's go!
First off, we should enable developer options so that we can enable USB debugging in the smartphone. Now we should enable USB debugging as follows to debloat the smartphone with our computer. Now we need to install the latest Java development kit to run the debloater program. Type the following command onto your Linux terminal and then enter your user password. This debloater could be used on Windows, Linux and Mac. However, the installation of the Java development kit may vary. Now we need to download the actual debloater from the following website, which I will link in the description below. We can see that the operating system has blocked the Java file from running. So first, we should allow it to be ran as an executable. Now execute the Java file and let it run for a few minutes. After clicking on OK, connect your smartphone to the PC and click OK on the pop-up message. Now that the device is connected and verified, select the applications that you know of to uninstall. After selecting, click on the uninstall button and then on OK. This is the part where you make sure everything unnecessary is uninstalled. And that's it. Your smartphone is now bloat free, faster and much more efficient.